To customize lock screen clock in Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the wallpaper and style, and then click on your lock screen on the left side, just like that. After a moment it should open, and then you can see a clock right here. So click on the clock, and first thing that you should do is enter style and then change to different style, because some of them will have the font customization locked. So in this case I'm gonna go for this specific clock style right there. Then we can change the font for some of them. You can also change the boldness of the font if you like, but not all of the options will offer that. Then there's also option to customize a color for it. And finally, as I said in the beginning, you can go to style and change to different style. And you can also show weather information next to the clock and show date above it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.